Hello there.
Welcome to How to Ruin Your Cybertruck program this week.
Did I do a perfect job? I hope these bubbles go away.
Today, I'll try to replace the ruined PPF on my Cybertruck's frunk, try to outrun noisy landscape workers, fight with a vicious bee,
What do you want from me?
scratch my Cybertruck pretty bad, and attempt to fix that too. Let's go!
This is normally the quietest neighborhood that I have ever lived, but every time I try to record something, some sort of noise source appears. It's either bugs or some noisy lawn maintenance stuff.
I should start by heating the PPF, which would make my life super easy, but I'm here to show you how not to do it. So...
Alright, removing the old one looks harder than it is, I think. But yeah, I think we'll be fine. I knew PPF was hard to remove, but I didn't think this would be that much trouble. We're gonna have to do some polishing too. Probably. Ooh. Know what I should use? Probably a heat gun. See if this is gonna work.
It goes pretty much the same for another half an hour or so, but eventually I got rid of it.
Alright, so there's a situation. I kinda ruined it a little bit. Right, looking much better, but it's heating up fast. Better. When I peeled off the PPF, I didn't consider this sticky glue residue. Applied some abrasive force there. I damaged it pretty good. So I'm making these mistakes so that you won't have to.
I tried to get rid of the scratches as much as possible, but the daylight was running out.
Okay, so after yesterday, I really messed this up pretty bad. I did something that I supposed to do from the beginning. I asked AI how to remove the residue from a PPF, and it recommended using isopropyl alcohol. Turned out I had it at home and I couldn't wait. Went ahead and applied isopropyl alcohol. Now this was all sticky, and with minimal effort it took away all the sticky stuff. I could have not scratched it like that. That was really dumb of me. So don't do things like that. Now we can apply our new PPF. Hopefully it will cover some of the scratches and look better. Applying PPF is actually pretty easy. Removing it was hard, and I learned it from the hard way. To apply it, we just need a very soapy surface, but we already cleaned all the contamination from it, so it should be pretty straightforward.
All we gotta do is align and get rid of that soap. And it'll be golden.
I'm not gonna obsess with this too much. The only part I'm unhappy with is this part, a little bit straight from going down. So we have a lip there, maybe I can cut it out. Now I am going to attempt PPFing the light bar here. Hey there! Alright, it's just $50.
Well,
I don't care.
still, people.
I have no proof, so.
People should be allowed to get away with that stuff.
Exactly, I know.
That's like a violation of your. To do it to a guy's car. That should be a death sentence.
I guess they didn't see John Wick.
Guess not.
Oh, we get a video out of it, so I can't complain. Meanwhile, where did bee go? He's really motivated to get me there. What do you want from me? I don't have honey. Should I kill this bee? I don't want to do that. I love honey. But dude, you gotta let me do my thing. Please, can you go? Please go away. Thank you. God, what's with the bees? Oh, I see. Because I'm sugary. That's why. You want a piece of this. Now I gotta wash it. Okay. Come. I have more water. You see what I'm struggling with when I try to record videos for you? Just watch it, okay? I'm so scared right now because of that bee. Yeah. This is not bad. Why didn't I do it like this? Instead I used that monstrosity. Start by peeling off. There. That way it will stay like that. Corners are all aligned, looking perfect. Very good. Very good. There you go, guys. We just PPF'd the light bar and the front of the Cybertruck without getting a bite from a bee. Hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.